Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a multi-channel marketing strategy with Sendinblue detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a multi-channel marketing strategy with Sendinblue, start by defining your marketing goals. Identify your target audience and understand their preferences. Next, sign up for a Sendinblue account if you haven't already. After logging in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. Begin by creating segmented lists of your audience based on their behaviors and demographics. This will help you tailor your campaigns to specific groups. Next, navigate to the email campaign section and choose Create a Campaign. Design your email template using the drag and drop editor. Ensure your design aligns with your brand identity for consistency. Once your email is drafted, set up a subject line that captures attention. Utilize A/B testing features to optimize your email content for better engagement. After finalizing your email, schedule its send time based on when your audience is most active. Now, let's incorporate SMS marketing to enhance your strategy. Go to the SMS campaign section and create a new SMS message. Keep your SMS brief and to the point, as you have limited characters. Segment your audience again to ensure your SMS reaches the right recipients. Next, explore the chat feature within Sendinblue to engage visitors on your website. Set up the chat widget and customize it to match your branding. Train your team on responding to inquiries promptly via chat. Integrate your social media accounts by using Sendinblue's social media tools. Schedule posts and analyze engagement metrics directly through the platform. Utilize the landing page builder to create targeted landing pages for your campaigns. Ensure your landing pages are optimized for mobile devices. Monitor the performance of your campaigns using Sendinblue's analytics tools. Analyze key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Use these insights to refine your campaigns and strategies continuously. Regularly update your content and adjust your tactics based on audience feedback. Finally, document your strategy to identify what works best over time. By following these steps, you can effectively create a multi-channel marketing strategy using Sendinblue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.